I'm Joey.
I'm Moon.
And we're Mr. Gate. And we're so happy to take you along on the journey as we create our dream home in paradise. We've got our work cut out for us on this massive property, but so far we have a blue living room, pink kitchen, yellow, green, so much color, oh my! But we are missing one really major thing in this house, somewhere to park our butts. Unless you count Joey's bag of beans.
Just push it through.
Joey, Joey! We had to ship all of our belongings all the way across the Pacific Ocean, and today it is so exciting because our shipping container with all of our stuff has arrived. Well, that is if we can get it open. Joey! Our shipping container is here. You know what that means. Bye, beanbag. This beanbag is gonna find a wonderful home. It's very lightly used. Anyone want it? Please? Please take it off our hands. Dada!
What?
Dada! Our shipping container is here.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. There's definitely something up against it.
No way, really?
Why? It's not opening.
Oh no, we gotta unlock but we can't get it open.
So learn from this, when you pack your stuff, make sure that you strap down the stuff that's closest to the door, because I can't get this door open. And I'm pretty sure it's because everything is just leaning against the door.
I mean, it is kind of like on a downward slope. I mean, this must happen a lot, right? You need to get something in there that can help you push back what's inside of it. Is it going?
I don't know.
It sounds like it.
Cramp. Leg cramp. It's a good sign. This is the first thing that's coming out of them.
No! A sledgehammer? Oh my gosh. The Click-Fi drum set. Oh my god.
Another drum stool?
Oh my gosh. 2 drum stools. Oh gosh. Wait, careful.
Yes! Got it open. Just took a little bit of elbow grease, some body slams, and I got it open.
Yeah! Oh, no, no.
Yeah.
We're painting the front door today. I'm so excited. This sets the tone for the entire design and feeling of the house. We have all of these paint samples that we're using elsewhere in the house, so why not sample them on the front door too? I am loving this peach color. I obviously am sort of leaning towards it because I painted a bigger square in the samples. Hoping that Joey leans towards it as well.
Paint swatching the door?
Yeah, I mean, maybe I'm accidentally playing favorites by the sizes of my squares.
Because you're either into blue or pink.
Pink?
Peach. Here, does this help you?
Peach.
Does this help you make a decision? This is our new Nest
Oh!
doorbell.
Oh, chic.
Do you guys know how much we love smart home technology? So, Google is sponsoring this portion of the video because we're doing our entire house with Google Nest products. We're installing the Nest floodlight cams, we're installing the Nest doorbells, we're installing just the regular Nest cams, everything Nest. This is one cozy Nest. I'm down with the peach door. I think that's funky. Is that what you're into?
I like the peach door because, yeah. Do I have to celebrate it?
It looks really good with this doorbell color.
It does.
So what I love about Google Nest is the ease of installation and how easy it is to use. With the new battery-powered Nest doorbell from Google, you can mount it virtually anywhere on your front porch, even if you don't have existing doorbell wires. Or if you have an existing doorbell like we do, you can just use the low voltage power for that, and it can also ring your existing door chime and will alert you on your phone. They are all nature-inspired color palettes. So for our house, we're choosing the sand color, which is just a very natural looking off-white.
We've got 24/7 monitoring and intelligent alerts so I can know when my packages arrive.
With all those cameras installed, you can check in on those cameras from any device that's connected to your Google Home app, including your Google Nest Hub. Out with the old, just a standard old floodlight, in with this new beauty. So you have your floodlight, but if you want to add the camera, this has like a super strong magnet, and then there's a security attachment so no one can take it. So not only do you get whole house monitoring with their security cameras, but you also get the floodlight protection, and super easy to install. If you're not the DIY type, you can obviously get someone to install it. Google has a whole list of installers in your area on their website. All right, so I got the floodlight on. Gonna add my Nest Cam. Boop.
Now we have all of our Nest products installed. Our house is safer and smarter and chicer. So thank you so much, Google, for sponsoring the video. Hello.
Looks good.
Do you love it?
Yeah. Good job. Furniture, furniture.
Oh my gosh, the Tess sofa has gotten here before Tess herself has gotten here. We have some Mr. Kate furniture pieces in the shipping container I'm so excited to bring in here. We're bringing in the Tess sofa, which I love. It's in our teal color, which is this gorgeous dark greeny blue, because you know we're playing all with sort of monochromatic tones in the space. So blues and greens and teals, all in the same family. We're also going to bring in the Winston sectional in the blue velvet color, which is going to be so gorgeous against the wallpaper, which we're going to put up in that corner. And it's all just going to be a beautiful blue-green story in there. These sofas are really easy to put together. They just come in a box and with all the pieces, and they just kind of slide in. So it makes it really easy to move with them if you ever want to take them with you to your next place. This is such a big moment, you guys, because it's our new house. These are like, there's so many dreams coming true. Honestly, thank you guys so much, because so many of you have been shopping the line to the point that it's been so successful. We're able to add other colorways. So we have more sofas coming out in more colors. We also have hard case pieces coming out, which is like dressers and coffee tables and side tables and desks. Oh, it's gonna be so cool and colorful. There's also neutral options for all of you neutral lovers. But you know what we need? Perfect. Tess, meet Tess. I love the matchy-matchy thing. Because this room is so large, we're actually able to do 2 sofa setups, which is really cool. So we're gonna have the one conversation area with the 2 Tess sofas opposite each other, a couple of awesome swivel chairs. These aren't from our line, but they're this beautiful boucle fabric, which is that kind of like fuzzy imitation sheepskin fabric. And that's gonna be our one conversation area by the big window. Okay.
This
I hope you
coffee
enjoy.
table has been through many
across
years of
the
our
ocean.
lives.
Yes. This is the in-between process of pulling this room together. Obviously, we need some area rugs, and those, I'm so excited, are also going to be coming from our new rug line. We're just waiting for the samples to get here. You guys will remember this coffee table. Oh my God, I think I have to put it down. Is it straight?
It was our dining table.
Our dining table, and then we cut it down and made it into our coffee table at our old house. Okay.
No, go down.
But
we didn't want to part with
We didn't want to part with this just because, I don't know, we love it. It's such a gorgeous piece. However, seeing it in here now, this is what I was worried about. Now that I'm seeing it in the room with the wood tone that's going on in the dining room, it's just too competing, and I feel like it's just kind of too rustic barnwood. I really kind of want to do more of like retro 60s vibes. I think that it would be such a cute kids craft table because it's like cut to the perfect height. It's so big. We don't care about it getting like dirty on top.
Yeah.
Right?
Love it. Love
this coffee table turned dining table. It's not gonna work in here, so we're gonna turn it into a kids craft table. But that means we need a new coffee table. Oh, the prince!
Prince Moon!
So in this big living dining room that we have, I thought it would be fun to kind of change up the color a little bit in that space because there isn't as much blue in there since we left that beautiful wood wall, the plain wood that it already was. So I think bringing in some mustard dining chairs, these are the Effie chairs from our line, are just gonna be so beautiful. Problem is, we don't have a dining table yet.
We have not yet released a dining table for our furniture line, so we gotta go buy one. So you wanted to go check out Reuse Hawaii, right?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this place. So we found out about this place called Reuse Hawaii where they specialize in reusing building materials and furniture from around the island. And yeah, you guys know that's right up our alley. We love a salvage, we love a thrift item.
Hopefully we can find a dining table.
Yeah, we could do like a rectangle.
Hopefully. You know that we love to thrift and curbside find all that stuff. So I love the idea of bringing all of that stuff into our home.
Also, we have to talk about that outdoor courtyard space, the one back there.
Yeah.
Definitely want to figure out something spectacular.
I have thoughts.
Me too. Let's discuss.
It needs a lot of work.
We talked about how when we renovate, we want to do an indoor-outdoor bathroom, but until we have the permits to do that, which we're still waiting for.
We need to get a bathtub.
We need to get a bathtub because we love the ritual of nightly bath time for Moon.
And there's no bathtubs in this house.
There's no bathtubs in this house, so we've been doing like nightly showers. It's just not the same thing.
So we were like, should we get like a temporary bathtub inside, or should we do something fun and just find a bathtub and put it outside?
Yeah, like a nice, cool, reclaimed one.
There's plumbing right there for the washer and dryer. So in theory, we could tap into that.
It would be cool to do like a clawfoot, maybe do some like tile out here. We could do like, you know, pavers with then like rocks around, plants, just something obviously inexpensive.
Yeah, and also we're just trying to do everything sustainably. So it's really cool to like source things from a salvage yard, and then as we continue through construction, we can give things back to the salvage yard.
Yeah.
Super excited to raise Moon with the like mentality of sustainability. So we're just gonna go to the salvage yard, see what kind of stuff we can bring there, and we're gonna bring Moon. Wait a second. No. Kate, we're not getting rid of the beanbag? What are you, crazy?
I should have brought a straw. Oops.
Oops.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for today. This is like one of the most exciting days since we've been here because we've been just dreaming of coming to the store.
Yes, oh my gosh, we are at Reuse Hawaii because you guys know we love salvaging things.
Whoa.